Dr. O. 2 minutes morning meditation with Dr. O. Hi, welcome to this morning meditation. This is your time, just for you, to feel calm and energized. Find a comfortable position. Sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and begin to breathe. Slowly, deeply. Breathe in. Pause. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Any thoughts that come, simply notice them and let them pass. Right now, it's just you and your breath. With every inhale, feel energy entering your body. And with every exhale, release tension and tiredness. Let a warm light flow down from the top of your head, softly moving over your face, your neck, your shoulders, arms, chest, belly, and all the way down to your fingertips. This light is morning energy. Today is a beautiful day, and you are ready for it. Now give yourself a small smile, just for you. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Have a peaceful and energized day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more meditation videos only on Dr. O. Thanks for watching Dr. O. Dr. O.